Maria mihi kinong elakai hamadan kipat ba kiblawan petkai kele risa but I mensia migirang elakai jong ke Shillong Lajong kabri ka kinong elakai na kejelam Meghalaya. Kirang elakai ke North East United Football Club wala ki hapenekun hapedeng gejing kershan rat ba jong ki hajar mut kinong kershan ke Shillong Lajong. Ndri kelep jing mut ukur kom elakai jong ki but kim chimla perwai ye kejing halab kejing risa kipat nong kershan. Kirang elakai ke North East United Football Club na doka kelep mat ke pasedang kelele ban te la kami kirang elakai jong Shillong Lajong. Ndrei kila tau pat kilat kelenti ban la ban penlia mi kirang elakai ke Shillong Lajong. Bat ke North East United Football Club keliot tap argol haga kelas step. Leng ba ukoi sing haga minit ke bakat lai. Bat u aliden ajarai haga minit ke balai pulai. Haga balai tap haga gol na ke bentang ke North East United Football Club. Bat gani ke jingsha pen ki jar ka Shillong Lajong kala pen diau ya kipat nong kershan. Kejing kon kala beteng haka kalamiet bat hang niru nasaki baka North East United Football Club kala lakai bah haka ba kala bat ya kabol bat kam shimla ilat satya ke Shillong Lajong baka niok ban bat ya kabol ne ban persyang ban pen ki jar. Haswa ban kut no kejing kon ka North East United Football Club kala beteng ban persya kemat bat kala yok ban tap ya ka gol ka balai haka minit ka ba Ndai po plus lai lengba upratip gogoi bat kani kana pendiau kino kershan ke Shillong Lajong. Ke North East United Football Club mentak kan penkrea menekun sembilan ke final jong ke Durand Cup.
There were, I think, many fans today. As I said yesterday, they were hard divided in two. When we attack, you're happy. When they attack, you're happy. It was a nice day, great. But our experience and the players were very good. We knew what we were playing, and we did our job. And thanks, fans today was amazing. This is football we want to see in India. This is the crowd. Congratulations, to Shillong team and to Shillong people, to Meghalaya people also. Thank you very much for the hospitality. It was fantastic, great. Thank you.
NEUFC called me again. I didn't doubt. I was here in 2019, 2020, even with the COVID. I was here 3 months isolated at home alone, and even with that moment so terrible for all over the world, the memories I had from Shillong were amazing. That's why I'm here again. I love Shillong. I love the people from Meghalaya. I love what you feel about football, and I think we can do an amazing season all together. Who was supporting us from the first minute of this Durand Cup, and because of them we could reach also the semi-final, and I'm very grateful with all of them because they deserve the best. This support is unbelievable, and we will try again. During the A-League. And sadly, the match of today we knew was going to be a tough match. They've got a very good squad as well. And sadly, the attempts we had in the first half, we couldn't end the action properly. But I think, from the point of view as a coach and being objective, the first 10 minutes we played. I think to score at least 1 goal. Obviously, when the team is 2 goals down, it's very complicated to keep the intensity, and they knew how to cancel us. But we tried till the end, and I only can say that all of us, we are very proud of the performance of the players, and we are very proud of what we did in this tournament. It's a milestone, and hopefully we can carry on with the same successful performances the rest of the year.